Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 3. Kind of an exciting week because I don't know about you, but I'm kind of had my fill of COVID-19 and coronavirus and everything that's in the news. But back during Bill Clinton's administration, some major news was made with the development and announcement of the Human Genome Project, where we first learned about basically how humans are constructed. This week will sort of be a bit of a history trip, but an interesting one. It's actually one of my favorite weeks. We'll not only cover that, but we'll also be looking at the topic of eugenics. And eugenics, a lot of people think was strictly in Hitler's days back in Nazi Germany, but it actually was not that far from home here in the United States in several areas around the country as well. So there's a great video that I urge you to take some time to view through that really approaches the topic of eugenics and the potential risks that lots of Americans faced during that time as well. Another area we'll be investigating then is the topic of designer babies. Making the perfect baby genetically. Is it ethical? Is it the right thing to do? It's going to bring up a lot of topics with that. And lastly, we'll certainly go into a discussion about how the outcomes of the Human Genome Project impacted patients and families in terms of the types of care we're receiving. And it's a two-parter discussion question this week. What will you need to know for future use to deal with these continuing new discoveries, which are happening all the time? And some, again, are very important ones that are revolutionizing healthcare. In fact, it would not be surprising to me to find out that when we do find a COVID vaccine, that somehow it's going to be based on genetics. That's the nature of the whole genomics and genetics area there. So I hope you enjoy this week. You're doing a great job. I'm going through the discussion questions very regularly and hopefully providing some feedback for you that helps out. Sometimes I'm actually participating in it, but I'm really enjoying seeing your responses and learning a little more about what you do. So please keep up the good work. And remember to keep working on the case study too. And you're going to be getting introduced into the final project, which is another group project that is good to do as well there with some basic information. You're reaching the halfway point in this course. It's sort of like midterm, but on a rapid basis with the accelerated courses there. So keep up your good work and we'll talk to you soon.